So welcome back to my business class, ladies and gentlemen. So I have been able to establish the fact that if you want to make profit in your business, you have to make deliberate effort, conscious effort to make sure that you are able to calculate your profit and your loss. All right. Now, there is something I want to tell you. You know what we call handwork? It's a craft. And every craft has the ability to customize designs for whatever they do and make it personal to their clients. Now, in order for you to be able to place high value for your product, you must make conscious effort to do good finishing. Now, good finishing in craft is priceless. Good finishing is priceless. What I mean by that is that people prefer to see their work perfectly done and they pay highly for it than to go and pay to a cheap producer who will do their work and it's not perfect. Now, putting that being said, now, as a producer, I have established the fact that you need to calculate what you are making, all right? Calculate everything that you are spending before you can place your price for your product. Now, by fashion standard, your cost price, or we say production price, your production price, that what it costs you to produce something, how much in total that you spend in a production, is supposed to be times 3 for your selling price. Supposed to be times 3. So your cost price times 3 equals to your selling price. That is the fashion standard. Now, this fashion standard is not strictly followed because some other factors can affect it. For instance, if you are having a bulk buyer, you are having a reseller, you have to cut down on your multiplication. That is, instead of times 3, you can be doing times 2. All right, so that your reseller can be able to sell at your own retail price. I really like to emphasize this aspect, your reseller. Now, if you are selling a product for, let me say, 35k, and you have sold to somebody for bulk and you sell to the person for 25k, all right? Now, this 25k is what I'm talking about, that it should be your cost of production times 2. Your cost of production times 2 should give you this 25k, equals to this 25k. But your cost of production times 3 should be equals to this 35k. At this point, your reseller sorry your reseller should be able to sell at your own selling price. I don't know, I just hope I did not confuse you. You have to sell in a way that your reseller should be able to sell at your own selling price. Now, here is something that bulk sellers used to do that I hate. Now, as a distributor, or I call you a bulk seller, you are selling something to your reseller now for 25k, and your reseller will buy up to like 200 pieces, 300 pieces from you. Then somebody that just want to buy two pieces, so you will sell the same 25k for that person. You are going to make it difficult for your reseller to sell. You have to be very strict with your prices. You have to give the condition by which you are going to sell this thing at this price. You can say if you buy up to 2 dozens, that is like 24 pieces. Do you get me? If you buy up to 24 pieces, we are giving you this price. If you buy up to 50 pieces, we are giving you this price. If you buy up to 100 pieces, we are giving you another price, so that you will be able to attract bulk buyers, and your revenue, if that is your flow of revenue, will be faster. Because if I'm making 10k for something and I can sell 200 pieces at once, you already know what I will be making. To be 10k times 200 pieces. But if I am making 15k and I'm just selling one piece in a month, maybe in a month I sell 20 or 30 pieces, I think I would prefer the option of selling 200 pieces and I'm making 10k. Do you understand? But what I'm trying to say is that you must know how to value your resellers, so that the people don't run to you to buy. They should know that either they come to you or they go to your reseller, the retail prices are the same. All right, so I will leave you here today. I'll leave you here today. I don't know if you have any question. Please just drop it on the comment section. I will respond to you, because this business class is a class that I'm taking personal, and I will continue on it in my channel. So go under, drop your comment. I will respond to you. If your comment require me to make another video, I will go ahead and make the video and do the explanation. So for now, I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, I will be talking about how to start a turban business. So I would like that you watch out for that video. For now, it's bye from my hand. Love you.